with the idea that AI is going to touch every discipline, what would your advice be to all the civil engineering, mechanical engineering, chemical engineering students out there? What should they be doing to be ready for this world?
So for example, mechanical engineers or civil engineers all do a course on CAD, right? I mean, so they basically have to learn how to use computer tools to do their job better. So likewise, you have to learn how to use AI tools to do your job better, right? So and these are going to come, and in some places they are getting already standardized. In some places they are coming. So be on the lookout for what is the latest AI development that makes your job easier. For example, in the design space, right? You don't have to design anymore. There are now tools that are coming up and you verbally describe what you want, and it gives you the actual design, right? The mechanical design of the thing that you're describing verbally. And then you can go drag and drop and make some small changes and edits to that, right? And then you get the final product, right? Of course, you need to know what a good design looks like in the first place for you to be able to do that. But instead of actually you sitting and doing the entire design from scratch, you can get these AI tools to do these things for you. So you need to understand that. That's one aspect of it, right? And this is going to be very uh, domain specific, right? And the second aspect, which I encourage everybody, not just engineering people, right? Whether you are doing commerce, whether you are doing law, whether you're doing a doctor, or whether you're even a historian, journalist, whatever, right? Everybody should know what this technology can do for you and what it cannot do for you, because all of us are going to face claims about AI. What AI will do for you, what won't do for you. AI will come and kill you, or AI will influence election, AI will take away your job, AI will make our kids dumber. There's been all these recent studies about how the cognitive abilities of people go down when they keep using AI repeatedly and stuff like that. So people need to understand what this technology can and cannot do for you. And I think this kind of AI literacy is important for everybody.